So guys, getting 4,000 watch hour can actually be overwhelming, especially here on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be illustrating how to get the 4,000 watch hour. Like a lot of new creators are really struggling with 4,000 watch hour. And to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. So in this video today, I'm going to be breaking down the metrics, how many videos you need to make to get 4,000 watch hour. So let's talk about 4,000 watch time. Okay, so I want you guys to watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video your mindset about 4,000 watch hour is going to change completely. And if you're still struggling with 4,000 watch hour after this video, you'll be able to achieve this within a very short period of time. So without saying too much, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. So I'm going to be breaking down this whole 4,000 watch hour thing for you guys. So when YouTube is talking about 4,000 watch hour, what YouTube actually means, you need people to watch your videos 4,000 hours. That is to say, every single view on your channel counts. So for you to get this, you need the views. Now, let's break this down really simple. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time, which is the criteria. So now we're going to talk about how many videos you need to make on your channel for you to hit these 4,000 watch hour. And this is where a lot of small creators really find it very difficult to understand. So let me explain this. For example, you have a video on your channel. Let's start with you making an 8-minute video on your YouTube channel. So we're going to be talking about 8 minutes. The reason I'm going to be saying 8 minutes, normal standard, YouTube requires you to make videos not less than 8 minutes. So if you're a creator who is always making videos less than the 8-minute mark, you need to do better, because if you keep making videos less than 8 minutes, trust me, if the algorithm gets to pick that video and that video goes viral, you will be very disappointed at the amount of watch time you are going to be accumulating from a video less than 8 minutes. But if you can make videos at least 8 minutes and above, believe me, the amount of watch time you're going to accumulate on your channel is going to be mind blowing. So first things first, we need to tackle the duration of your video. So make sure your videos are lengthy enough. When we say make them long, I'm not saying you should go and make 1 hour, 2 hour boring videos. Nobody's going to watch that. But regardless, make sure you're at least making videos 8 minutes long. Now, let's get this right. Let's say you make a video that is 8 minutes long and that video gets 100 views. As a small channel, you get 100 views on your channel. You should be very grateful. So let's say you get 100 views. Now, this 100 views, if you times this 100 views by 8 minutes, you're going to be getting 800 minutes. Now, if you're going to divide this with 60 minutes, which makes 1 hour, let me do the calculation for you so you can get this really clearly. Let's say you have 800 minutes, divide 60 minutes. So automatically you've been able to accumulate 13.3 hours. That is from 100 views. So let's say this video is 8-minute video. So this is video 1. And this video happens to be 8 minutes long, and this video gets 100 views. Now, if you're going to divide this 100 views by 1 hour, automatically, if people watch your video through, because one thing is very important, you need to hook your viewers to watch your videos. I know it is almost impossible sometimes. It's really difficult for people to watch your videos from beginning to the end. But trust me, if you can get your viewers to watch a reasonable amount of time, if YouTube evaluates and calculates, you should be getting at this range of watch hour for just 100 views. So now, let's imagine this 8-minute video gets 1,000 views. Let's do the mathematics together. So this gets 1,000 views. Okay? Don't mind my writing, please. I hope you guys can actually understand what I'm doing. So if you times this 8 minutes with 1,000 views, this is going to be giving you 8,000 minutes. Okay? So if you divide this 8,000 minutes with 60 minutes, which makes 1 hour, If you do the mathematics together, let's do it together. So 8,000 divided by 60. So you're going to be getting 133.3 hours. I hope you guys can actually see these metrics. So now, let's say one 8-minute video gets 1,000 views and you have 133 hours. Now, how many hours do you need for you to get 4,000? So let's bring the 4,000 right here. Let's divide this 133 approximately. Let's say 4,000 divided by 133 is going to be giving you 30. So that is to say you need 30 videos. So let's say you're a creator and you are making YouTube videos and your videos are able to even get 1,000 views as a small channel. All you need to get this 4,000 watch hour is just 30 videos. And believe me, sometimes the views may not really be up to 1,000. Some videos do better. You may even get videos that gives you 5,000 views, 10,000 views. I know sometimes the low views hits really hard. But trust me, for a creator who is getting 1,000 views on every video that is at least 8 minutes long, all you need to get your channel monetized is just 30 videos. And some of us actually give up before our 10th video, before our 15th video, before our 20th video. Some creators give up before that time just because they are getting low views. Now, if you can stay consistent on your channel, let's say you are the kind of creator that is always getting 100 views, okay? Or let's say 100 is too much. I hope you guys are following. Let's say you always get at least 50 views on your channel and you make videos 8 minutes, okay? And you get 50 views. Now, this is it. If you times these 50 views with your 8 minutes, you're going to be having about 40. Let's do the mathematics together. 8 times 50 is going to give you 400 minutes. Okay? So if you divide this 400 minutes with 60 minutes, which gives you the 1 hour, let's do that together. Divided by 60, you're going to be getting 6.6 hours. Let's do an approximate here. That is 6 hours. Okay, I'm not a mathematician, guys. You all should just flow with me. Understand the metrics behind this 4,000 watch hour. Now you have 6 hours from a video that gives you 50 views for an 8-minute videos. Just for 8 minutes. We're working with 8 minutes today, okay? But I want you to know that the longer the video, that is, the longer the duration of your video, the higher your chances of accumulating more watch time. So let's work with this 6 hours. Now let's bring the 4,000 watch hour right here. So let's say we have 4,000 watch hour. You divide by 6, okay? So 4,000 divided by 6. So all you need to do is to get 666 videos. I hope you guys understand these metrics. So let's say you're suffering low views. Like you're really, really angry about the low views that YouTube is throwing at you. And each video is able to give you 50 views. So for a creator who has at least 50 views on their long form videos, all you need is 666 videos. I don't know if you guys can understand all these metrics. So if you're always getting like 50 views on your 8-minute video, so this is your 8-minute video, and this is your views. You're struggling with 50 views. All you need, if you're consistent and focused, you just need 666 videos. Now, trust me, there is no way you will make good quality 666 videos and the algorithm do not pick anyone and it goes viral. So what you guys need to understand when it comes to 4,000 watch hour, it has to do with patience. We know there are a lot of tricks and hack whereby creators get to, get this watch hour really quick and fast. But the honest truth is, if you can actually stay patient as a creator here on YouTube, if you can build your patience and make good quality videos, I mean long valued videos, you will be able to hit your watch time within the 1 year phase. A lot of creators get to give up even before their breakthrough. Let's say you're a creator who is always getting 10 views, 20 views, you're feeling so demoralized, you're not motivated. But trust me, if you stay consistent even with your low views, believe me, you keep growing, you keep getting better with your content, there is no way your channel will not hit that rock. So with this little explanation, I hope I've been able to convince some of you who are really finding this 4,000 watch hours so difficult to get. Just stay focused and consistent. Stay on the right niche, give her the right content, especially the kind of content your audience want to see. I cannot overemphasize on this. There are certain kind of content that your creators want to see. So if you keep giving them that content back to back, believe me, before you know it, you may just wake up one day and find out that one of your videos have given you almost all, or if not the watch hour you've been looking for. So I hope this explanation really helps someone out there. It may not just be for everybody, but this is for somebody. And I hope this helped you to, structure your 4,000 watch hour thing. And I can't wait to celebrate with you if you hit your 4,000 watch hour. So guys, I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.